Hello, welcome to my channel Moon's Beauty World. Today I'm gonna show you guys how I clean my face. Once a week I do deep clean on my face. Sometimes I use glycolic pill, the chemical pill. Sometimes I have makeup. You see, first I'm gonna use. Sometimes I use towel, sometimes I use a little bit of water and other cleanser. So today I'm gonna use towels. This is from Alme. It's very important to always keep your face clean. Doesn't matter how late it is at night, I always clean my face. So I have to remove all my makeup. Now I'm gonna use, for eyes I use different thing. Because today I'm gonna do the deep clean so that it clean my pores. Today I'm gonna use this one. It's from Duvolle-radiance Skin Care System. They have exfoliating brush, they have for the body, and they have pumice. If you want to clean your face, this one, the regular, is a little softer. Yeah. And then I'm gonna do the deep clean, so I have the exfoliate brush here. It's a little harsh, so it's gonna go inside my pores and clean my pores. And they have one pumice, so if you want to use this one, you have to soak your feet and you can clean your feet. And this is for the body. So it's a complete cleansing kit and radiance booster. So let's see. I'm gonna use this one. It's a bliss. I'm gonna use that with a little bit of water. And then I'm gonna use the brush. This is itself a good product. So it has a button here. It says it's radiance booster. Two things it does because of this brush is exfoliate. Look how I clean my face. You can clean this brush in the warm water and make sure when you use it, clean nicely. So all the makeup, all the residue has to come off. Now I'm gonna remove. What I like to do, if I don't wash my hair, because sometimes makeup goes there. Surprisingly, I had acne. I don't have acne on my face, but I notice somehow if I don't clean my face properly, I get acne, one or two. So here sometimes I got acne. I didn't realize first, and then I realized because of the makeup, I'm getting acne over there. So that's why I always try to, if you take shower and you wash your hair, then it's fine. Always we don't wash our hair. So that time we have to be careful with any cleansing cloths, anything. Go so that no makeup there. I'm making this video, that's why I'm using this wipe, but normally after I use this brush, I clean with water. Now I'm gonna use this one from Garnier to remove my eye makeup, and it's remove the waterproof mascara as well. How gently I'm removing my eye makeup. I don't want to be harsh on my lashes because I don't want to lose them. With this one little bit hole is a micellar water cleanser from Garnier. So it's remove like a magnet. When I use this brush, I don't use glycolic acid peel because this exfoliates my skin nicely and gives me radiance. This nose, I don't want any blackheads, whiteheads, so you have to be careful, you have to clean nicely. And when I use the brush, I also use on my nose, deep clean my pores. So regular day I can use the soft brush on my face, but today I did the deep clean, so I use this exfoliate brush. So the boxes look like this one. Yeah, and you need 4 AA battery. it doesn't come with that one. So first I got it, and then I had to wait for the battery, and then I am using it. So in my shower I can use it now, this one and this stone. So that's it for today. We'll take shower and then night care routine. So that's it. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye bye.